Hello friends, today you will learn lesson 2nd of English Standard 10, Nelson Mandela. Okay, page number 20. In last video we had seen that Nelson Mandela said that cruel government, oppressive rule, okay, cruelty and slavery brought out the great people. Okay, they gave us great people like Oliver Tambo, Walter Sisulu, Chief Luthuli, Yusuf Dadu, Bram Fischer, and Robert Sobukwe. Okay, men of such extraordinary courage, wisdom, and generosity that their like may never be known again. Okay, these people was great in wisdom, generosity. Generosity means they were broad-minded, broad-hearted, okay, and very much devoted for the country. Perhaps it requires such depth of operation to create such height of character. Nelson Mandela here says that without oppression, without cruel government, such people would not have come forward. My country is rich in the minerals and gems that lie beneath the soil. Okay, African country is rich in the minerals and gems, but it is under the land. But I have always known that its greatest wealth is its people. Nelson Mandela says that we don't consider our people, okay, worthless. Nelson Mandela says our people are more worthy, okay, wealthier than these minerals and gems, finer and truer than the purest diamond, that our people are finer and truer than the purest diamonds. It is from this comrade in the struggle that I learned the meaning of courage. Comrade means brothers or friends. It is from the friends in the struggle that I learned the meaning of courage, time, and again I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. Okay, I learned courage from my people. Okay, men and women risk their lives for an idea. Okay, they took risk for the freedom. I have seen men stand up to attacks and torture without breaking. Okay, stand up to means to oppose. People oppose the torture without breaking, showing a strength and resilience. Resilience means like patience, okay? Resilience means the ability to deal with any kind of hardship and recover from its effect. Okay, to pass through hardship and recover from its effect that defies the imagination. Okay, imagination में भी ऐसा नहीं होता. Defies means opposite. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear. This quote is very important. Nelson Mandela says courage means not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Okay, to win over fear. डर के ऊपर जीत हासिल करना वो करेज है. करेज मीन्स एब्सेंस ऑफ फियर नहीं. He says the brave man is not he who doesn't feel afraid. Okay, who is not afraid, he is not brave, but he who conquers that fear. The who wins over fear is the brave man. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin. Okay, Nelson Mandela says we are not born with hatred or his background. Okay, by birth we don't have characteristic to hate anybody for his skin or his religion. People must learn to hate. Children are taught to hate other people different from their group, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. If people are learning how to hate, okay, why we should hate other people, then they must be taught, they can learn, okay, to love. For love comes more naturally to the human heart. Nelson Mandela says love, compassion comes more naturally to human heart than its opposite. Even in the grimmest time in prison, when Nelson Mandela was tormented, tortured in the jail, when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits, okay, they had suffered many tortures, okay, pushed to our limits. That means their physical body's limit, mental limit was over. At the last point, I would see a glimmer of humanity in one of the guards. Okay, Nelson Mandela could see, okay, expression of sadness or mercy on one of the guard. Emotions of sadness or mercy on one of the guard's face. Perhaps just for a second, but it was enough to reassure me and keep me going. एक सेकंड के लिए कोई गार्ड के फेस के ऊपर दया आ जाती थी, बट इट वॉज इनफ फॉर मी टू कीप मी गोइंग. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. Goodness is flame, fire. Okay, it can be hidden but never extinguished. Extinguish मतलब douse, put out. वो goodness हम बुझा नहीं सकते. In life, every man has twin obligations. Here obligations means kartavya. Obligations to his family, to his parents, to his wife and children. Duties. Obligations means duty. And he has an obligation to his people, his community, his country. Person has duty for his country also. In civil and humane society, each man is able to fulfill those obligations according to his own inclination and abilities. In democratic government, people are free to fulfill this duty, okay, according to their ability, their inclination. Their inclination means jhukav. But in a country like South Africa, it was almost impossible for a man of my birth and color to fulfill both of those obligations. But in South Africa, it was impossible for people to fulfill these obligations, these duties. It was almost for both of these obligations. In South Africa, a man of color who attempted to live as a human being was punished. Okay, dark person who want to live as human being was punished and isolated. Isolated means he was sent in jail and he had to live alone. Isolated. In South Africa, a man who tried to fulfill his duty to his people was inevitably ripped from his family. Ripped means काटना. तो उसको that man was separated from his family and his home and was forced to live a life apart. Okay, उसको lonely जीना पड़ता था. A twilight existence of secrecy and rebellion. There was slight hope because some people were rebellion, they were against government. I didn't in the beginning choose to place my people above my family. Okay, in the starting, Nelson Mandela didn't choose to take country before his family. But in the attempting to serve my people, I found that I was prevented from fulfilling my obligations as a son. But later, Nelson Mandela came to know that I also cannot fulfill my obligations as a son, as a brother, as a father and a husband. Next paragraph. I was not born with hunger to be free. Okay, during childhood, during his youth time, Nelson Mandela didn't think for freedom, didn't want the freedom of country. I was born free, free in every way that I could know. He says that I understand that I understood that I am free in every way that I could know. Free to run in the field near my mother's hut, free to swim in the clear stream that ran through my village, free to roast millies, that is some eatables, okay, under the stars and the ride, under the stars means night, and ride the broad backs of slow moving bull. During his childhood, Nelson Mandela didn't know that our country is slave. Okay, discrimination is done in our country. He thought that we have freedom. Nelson Mandela sat on the back of the bulls. As long as I obeyed my father and abided by the custom of my tribe, abided means followed the custom, okay, rit rivaj of the tribe, I was not troubled by the law of man or God. Nelson Mandela was not troubled by the law or God. He had not any fear. It was only when I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was an illusion. Then Nelson Mandela came to know that my freedom was illusion. Illusion means भ्रम, एक छलावा है. When I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me, okay, मेरा freedom तो छीन लिया गया है, that I began to hunger for it. Then I started, okay, work for getting freedom. At first, as a student, I wanted freedom only for myself. The transitory freedom. Transitory means of some moments, some minute. Okay, transitory means not permanent. कि स्टूडेंट लाइफ में तो मुझे छोटे छोटे फ्रीडम चाहिए थे, ट्रांजिटरी फ्रीडम्स ऑफ बीइंग एबल टू स्टे आउट एट नाइट, टू रोम आउटसाइड एट नाइट, रीड व्हाट आई प्लीज्ड एंड टू गो वेयर आई चूज. मुझे जो पढ़ना है मैं पढ़ सकूं, रात को बाहर जाना है तो जा सकूं. दैट इज माई फ्रीडम, ही थॉट. लेटर एज ए यंग मैन इन जोहानिसबर्ग, I yearn for the basic and honorable freedom of achieving my potential. जोहानिसबर्ग में I yearn means wish very much. Okay? उसको बहुत दिल से इच्छा हुई for the achieving my potential. Potential means hidden energy, hidden talent, possibilities. मुझे कुछ बनना है तो उसके लिए मुझे फ्रीडम चाहिए. वो बाद में स्टार्ट हुआ उसका वो फीलिंग ऑफ अर्निंग माई कीप, ऑफ मैरिंग एंड हैविंग ए फैमिली, द फ्रीडम नॉट टू बी ऑब्स्ट्रक्टेड इन अ लॉफुल लाइफ. दिस टाइप ऑफ फ्रीडम मस्ट नॉट बी ऑब्स्ट्रक्टेड. उसमें कोई रुकावट नहीं आनी चाहिए. But then I slowly saw that not only was I not free, but my brothers and sisters were not free. Here Nelson Mandela told that I wanted to achieve my potential. That means I want to become something as per my ability, my talent, but then he came to know I am not free. Okay, for whatever I want to do in my life, I want to become. Not only I, but my brothers and sisters were not free. I saw that it was not just my freedom that was curtailed. Curtail means cut. सिर्फ मेरा फ्रीडम ही कट नहीं हुआ है, but the freedom of everyone who looked like I did. मेरे जैसे जितने भी लोग हैं अफ्रीका में, ब्लैक पीपल, उस सब का फ्रीडम कट गया है. That is when I joined the African National Congress. Then he joined African National Congress, and that is when the hunger for my own freedom became the greater hunger for the freedom of my people. So वहां से मेरी एक फ्रीडम की जगह मेरे कंट्री की फ्रीडम के लिए मैंने काम करना स्टार्ट किया. Okay friends, next page we will learn in next video.